Hello guys and gals, last time I left you hanging, but this time I'm gonna show you how the back of my Subaru Forester SG XT looks like. So I'm gonna reveal to you how my strut towers look like. Please like, share, subscribe and comment if you like. And stay tuned for what's coming next on TNJ Adventures. So now let's put this to the side and we're gonna take a look at what's going on behind here together. So what's holding these? Nothing. Are they just welded to the sheet metal? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's not good. That's what I was afraid of. I believe you can just pop through it. But the good thing is that it's not completely done, which means I don't have to take it apart. I can just cut whatever is bad and I can put metal in. But still I wish that it wasn't like that. So let's see. Does this go all the way around? Kind of. It's so weird that it's only rusted here on top. Oh wow, and the front is really bad. You can see right there. It's weird though that though it's pretty rusted, it's not going through. So if there's still good metal in here, we might be able to save these. But yeah, you can basically see outside. This is a really bad design. So they put a bunch of sheet metal from the inside and from the outside and they combine them somehow. In here you can see they're welded, spot welded right here and right here. And there's some of that putty or epoxy that they use right here, some epoxy right here, but there's some rust over here too. So in my opinion, and in most of the people that I know opinions, this is a bad design. I had holes in here, as you can see. This is my repair and I repaired it from the outside and it's been good so far. But of course it was just a quick and dirty job. Because I had holes, I wanted to fill them up and not let all the water and dirt come inside. So that did the trick. But this is kind of bad, I would say. I don't like this. I hate that I have to do this. But I think this could be worse. I mean, it could all be rusted, so it's not completely rusted. I would say it's still savable. So this one is broken, so I can just peel it out, and now we're gonna see what's going on this side. Looks good, solid. I'm not gonna look further. I'm just kidding. Oh, this is really weird. One of these nuts, also with a grooved washer, came loose. I don't really understand how it could have come loose like that, but I don't know, maybe vibration or something. So interesting, there's a module here. Not sure what this does. Okay, so let's continue. So yeah, that's how it looks on this side. Kind of worse than on the other side. It's really weird that this is still solid, but as you can see, a lot of metal just comes loose. So this is one strut tower, pretty solid in here, but yeah, not that good behind here. Although I like this, there's some metal still holding on to stuff, but the front is really bad. And same on the other side, although I'm not even sure. I would call this one a bit, I don't know. So is this worse or better than the other one? So it's got less rust. This has more rust behind here, and it's also got some or a lot in the front, but it's not as bad right here. This one has no rust behind here. It's got some right here, just a little bit. It's got some down here. There's also some down here too, but not that much. And this is really kind of bad. So as you can see, you can just take the whole thing apart. So I'm hoping I'll be able to repair the whole thing, because I've invested a lot of money in this car already. As you know, it's got a rebuilt engine, and also the interior is, you know, I worked a lot on that. Okay, so now I poked the bear. You can see outside through here. This is how the strut tower looks like. I've tried to hit this thing, but it seems like the whole thing is good. I mean good. It's not dead yet. In the front, it's pretty bad. One screw broke. So this is the bracket that holds the seat. It goes in here. Of course, this one's also rusted. Needs to be cleaned. I tried to brake as much as I could. This is the end result. There's pretty much, well, I would say nothing left, but there's still some left. So I'm hoping that somebody is gonna be able to repair this. So this is on this side, driver's side, which is left side in Europe. And on the other side, almost the same thing. Try to hit here. This seems pretty solid. I mean, solid-ish. Wasn't really able to poke in here in any of these rusted spots. But the front is again really bad. I didn't take the bracket off yet, but I have to take it off on this side too. As you can see, there's a pretty big hole in here too. So up there, in here, down there. So both of the screws broke in here. Kind of to be expected, everything is rusted. This is how the bracket looks like. Still got some really clean metal here. But yeah, this should be able to be cleaned and painted. So on the outside, you can see right now where the holes are. Right there, this is the screw that holds the seat back, and right there, not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can see. Other than that, looks okay. On the other side, same thing, holes in the front. But on this side, I think that's all the damage. So right here in the front, you can see that I tried to repair here last time, but of course, because this sheet metal comes like that over this other sheet metal, it catches all the dirt behind, and then that can only rust over time. Okay guys, so that's where I'm gonna end this